इस हफ्ते के मनी मैटर्स में हमारे साथ है कमलेश बैंगलोर से। कमलेश उनका असली नाम नहीं है क्योंकि वो अपना नाम और अपना चेहरा नहीं दिखाना चाहते, बट वी विल वेलकम हिम। हाउ आर यू कमलेश, कैसे हैं आप?
Fine, sir. How are you?
वेरी वेल, वेरी वेल।
Yeah.
जितना भी आप कंफर्टेबल हैं, कैन यू शेयर अबाउट योर सेल्फ?
Yeah. So recently, like the last month of March 29th, my father had passed away due to a cardiac arrest. So, like from that time, we had to manage all the finances, everything. I'm the only single child, so I'm a very pampered child. Because I've not taken any responsibilities till now. I've been enjoying my college life till now. My mom is educated, but she doesn't know all these finances or anything. So I wanted your help to sort the finances out.
I am firstly so sorry, so sorry.
Yeah,
Was it completely unexpected?
very unexpected.
Are you doing okay?
Actually, we had gone to the hospital.
Uh,
I am fine, but my mom is still recovering.
okay, I'm really sorry for
Yeah.
this. How old are you, Kamlesh?
I'm 20 years old.
कॉलेज में आपने बताया, what are you
Yeah,
doing?
I'm a computer science engineering.
Which year?
Fo- Fourth year.
Okay, so you'll graduate
Just
next
ended.
year.
So,
Okay.
graduate next year.
I assume आपकी mom जो है वो काम नहीं करती है.
She's
She's not.
no, she's housewife.
Okay. So did your father have any insurance or anything?
No, he didn't have any term insurance or anything.
Okay.
But it's a company provided is there, but
Okay.
it's very less.
Okay. आपके पास details होंगी of what all will he have so that we
I have
can
an
try and help you?
idea, but we're still finding out the details because all the documents is my father stores in his office laptop, so we don't have the access to that everything. But yeah, we know the majority of the details.
Okay. Okay. Let's try and understand that
Yeah,
step by step. आपके पिताजी जो हैं वो एक corporate job कर रहे थे.
corporate job, IT.
Okay. Do you have any idea कि उनकी life insurance से
Yeah,
उनको कितना मिलेगा?
around 50 lakhs,
Okay. Okay.
40 to 50 lakhs. It's not
Okay.
sure, depending upon the role my father he gets, I
Okay.
guess.
Okay. Any other assets, money in the bank, investments?
Yeah, money in the bank is there. There's 6 lakhs in the bank.
क्या इस
And
बैंक में आपकी मॉम नॉमिनी है?
yeah. And
क्या
my
हाँ,
mom has around 2 lakhs in her bank. Yeah.
जो लाइफ इंश्योरेंस है उसमें आपकी मदर नॉमिनी थी?
Yeah.
कोई और इन्वेस्टमेंट्स, स्टॉक्स,
Yeah.
म्यूचुअल फंड्स?
No. Provident fund,
ओके.
PF. Last week I've checked it was 37 lakhs.
ओके.
He withdrew some in between to buy a plot. So
ओके.
after that it's 37 lakhs.
एनी अदर इन्वेस्टमेंट्स, एसेट्स? आपका घर अपना है?
Assets, we have 2 houses. Yeah. We have 2 houses. One is
ओके.
in Bangalore and one is in Andhra Pradesh.
ओके. बैंगलोर वाला जो घर है
And
उसमें आप खुद रहते हैं?
yeah, we stay here.
ओके, सो यू स्टे हियर एंड आपका वन मोर हाउस
Uh,
इन आंध्र प्रदेश.
it's for grandparents. They
ओके,
stay there.
ठीक है. एंड यू आल्सो मेंशन कि उन्होंने कुछ प्लॉट खरीदा था. इज दैट आल्सो इन
Yeah.
एडिशन?
It's Andhra Pradesh. Yeah. That's
अच्छा.
worth around 50 to 60 lakhs right now.
ओके. एनी आइडिया कमलेश की वो जो प्लॉट 50 टू 60 lakhs का है उस पे कोई लोन चल रहा है या कुछ है?
No, there's
ओके,
nothing. There's no
ठीक
loan.
है. एनी अदर लोन इन द हाउस?
Yeah, we have 2 house loans.
वर दे इंश्योर्ड?
No, they were not insured. At the start, he paid, I guess, for some years, but he didn't pay afterwards.
रिन्यू. एनी
We,
आइडिया
we asked
कितने
the
बड़े वो
bank.
लोन है?
Yeah, the Bangalore loan is 12 lakhs 83,000. It's left. It was
ओके,
a 30 lakhs loan, I guess.
श्योर.
And the EMI amount is 22,850.
एंड द
And
अदर
the
वन?
Andhra Pradesh house loan is 14 lakhs left. 14 lakhs 5,000 or something. And this is around 25,000 ka EMI. And both the loans are of 8.3 to 8.5% interest rate.
एनी
Yeah.
अदर एसेट्स, इन्वेस्टमेंट्स दैट यू आर अवेयर ऑफ?
That's it.
आप मुझे ये बताइए कमलेश कि आपका महीने का घर का खर्चा कितना है, इंक्लूडिंग आपका घर
Actually, my
में
father used to send money to his mother,
ग्रैंडपेरेंट्स. या
my grandparents, and
या
even to my mom's side
ओके.
grandparents.
या
So around each month he used to send 20,000, 10,000 to both of them.
ओके.
And our house expenses, including my pocket money, all that, and my mom's everything, including 50,000,
सो 70,000 टोटल.
72. Yeah.
इसमें आपकी कॉलेज की फीस भी जुड़ी हुई है?
College fees, my parents actually they invest in 2, 3 chit funds. So almost my college fees is cleared.
ओके. एंड व्हाट आर योर प्लान्स कमलेश आफ्टर कॉलेज?
Actually, I have like 2 internship offers right now. So then this stipend also, and if I do good there, I'll get a full-time job.
Got it.
So my plan is to work after this.
Perfect.
And one
Uh,
more, this thing, they were actually investing in like 2 chit funds, 25k each.
mhm.
After 6 or 7 months, they'll get 10 lakhs. My mom will get 10 lakhs.
Okay.
One is 4.75 lakhs she'll get, and one is 5.25, I guess.
After 6 months.
October, yeah, October
Okay.
we get. October, November, yeah.
Got it. ये मैं ऑडियंस के लिए भी बोल रहा हूँ और आपके लिए भी बोल रहा हूँ कमलेश, हिंदी में बोलूंगा, अगर कुछ नहीं समझ में आएगा प्लीज मुझसे पूछ
Yeah,
लीजिएगा,
yeah, so,
because you mentioned that you understand Hindi.
yeah.
First, this is a very unfortunate example of how life is so unpredictable. जिंदगी में कुछ भी हो सकता है, कभी भी हो सकता है. हम सब अपने प्लान बनाते हैं. कमलेश ने भी प्लान बनाया, वो मास्टर्स के लिए जाएंगे, ये करेंगे, वो करेंगे. सब कुछ बदल जाता है, रातों रात बदल जाता है. And it is just a reminder to all of us to be constantly grateful for what we have, to cherish every moment that we have. किसी को नहीं पता है कि जिंदगी कितनी लंबी है, किसी को नहीं पता कि जिंदगी कितनी छोटी है. I'm sure Kamlesh and his mom fondly remember his father, but it's going to be a huge, huge, huge loss. And it'll be so sad अगर they just feel काश हमने वो वक्त अलग से बिताया होता, एक अलग ढंग से बिताया होता. We wish we had not fought. We wish we had traveled more. We wish we had laughed more. We wish we had eaten our meals together. जो कुछ भी हो. And I'm not saying that that's what Kamlesh or his mother feels, लेकिन सबके लिए this is an extremely important reminder of how fragile life is and can be. तो हमेशा हाथ जोड़ के नम्रता के साथ, विनम्रता के साथ जिंदगी जीने की कोशिश करिए. नंबर 2, इट इज ऑल्सो सच अ ह्यूज रिमाइंडर कि क्योंकि लाइफ इतनी प्रिडिक्टेबल है, प्लीज जो कुछ भी आप अपने परिवार के लिए करते हैं, एंड क्लियरली कमलेश के फादर ने बहुत कुछ किया है, डॉक्यूमेंट दैट. मेक श्योर कि हर एक इंसान को पता हो कि अगर भगवान ना करे आपकी जिंदगी को कुछ हो जाए तो वो एक्सेस कर सकते हैं वो सारी चीजें. तो अपने बैंक अकाउंट्स में, अपने लोन्स में, अपने इन्वेस्टमेंट्स में अपने पेरेंट्स को, अपने बच्चों को नॉमिनी बनाइए. नंबर 1. सारे पासवर्ड्स वगैरह जो हैं वो ऑफलाइन किसी नोटबुक में, किसी कॉपी में लिखकर उनको दे दीजिए. सारे इन्वेस्टमेंट्स जो आप करते हैं उसको हर 2-3 महीने बैठ के अपडेट करिए, ताकि किसी को भी ये सारी मुश्किलें ना झेलनी पड़े that somebody like Kamlesh has to go through right now. And number 3, कोई भी लोन अगर आप लेते हैं, खासकर अगर घर का लोन लेते हैं, उसको प्लीज 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 इंश्योर करवाइए. दिस इज अ रियली बिग लोन दैट यू विल टेक. मोस्ट लाइकली घर का लोन सबसे बड़ा लोन होता है, एंड उसको ना इंश्योर करवाना बेवकूफी होती है, बिकॉज कभी भी कुछ भी हो जाए वो पूरे लोन की जिम्मेदारी आपके ऊपर आ जाएगी. सो टुडे कमलेश एंड हिज मदर हैव टू सर्विस 50,000 रुपए की EMI एवरी मंथ, एंड उनके पास कोई इनकम सोर्स नहीं है. अब उनके पास कोई चॉइस नहीं है कि उन्हें कुछ बेच के ही ये लोन्स क्लियर करने पड़ेंगे, जिसकी जरूरत नहीं थी अगर वो इंश्योरेंस होती. ये सारी चीजें ना बहुत लेट समझ में आती है, एंड आई विश एवरी सिंगल वन ऑफ यू वॉचिंग टेक्स दिस सीरियसली एंड इंश्योर्स दैट यू आर ऑलवेज बीइंग not just smart about your money कि पैसा बढ़ाना है, but also being protective about your money. Okay, let's move forward now. तो कमलेश, क्योंकि आपने ये सारी चीजें कभी नहीं करी हैं, you will suddenly grow up, my friend. And I'm sure you realize that already.
And one more thing I forgot, sir.
Please.
He's been working in the company for like almost 18 years, the same company. So he'll get gratuity also. That I'm not sure of the amount, but I think it'll be a huge amount only. I've not calculated it.
Do you know उनकी last salary कितनी थी?
Yeah, 2,23,000 in hand.
Okay, got it. So mostly the calculation for gratuity is कि जितनी भी आपकी सैलरी होती है, बेस सैलरी, तो अगर 2,23,000 इन हैंड है, आई एम अज्यूमिंग उनकी बेस सैलरी करीब 1-1.5 लाख रुपए होगी, 1 or 1.5 लाख रुपीस. तो उसका 50% multiplied by the years of service and the months of service. तो it is possible कि उनको, let's say अगर 0.75 into 18 into 12, he could get a really big gratuity amount to the extent of maybe 1.5 crores or something. We'll find that out. So here is how you have to think about this. आपके सामने 3 चीजें हैं कमलेश. नंबर 1, जो 2 होम लोन्स चल रहे हैं. नंबर 2, जो आपके मंथली एक्सपेंसेस हैं. एंड नंबर 3, आपका जो फ्यूचर है. All 3 have to be taken care of. So personally, मेरी recommendation ये रहेगी of how you proceed.
Yeah.
I would sell the plot, assuming कि वो 50-60 lakhs का बिकेगा. You will have to pay whatever taxes if there are capital gains. But let's say you end up with 50 lakhs. आप उस 50 lakhs से दोनों घर के लोन क्लियर करेंगे, which will be approximately 30 lakhs.
30 lakhs, yeah.
And you will be then left with around 20 lakhs. This 20 lakhs is approximately 2.5 years of monthly expenses. अगर आप ये 70,000 मान के चलते हैं,
Okay.
तो आप इस 20 lakhs को अपने बैंक में रखेंगे फॉर योर मंथली एक्सपेंसेस. इसको आप कैसे स्प्लिट करेंगे? 8 lakhs इज योर ईयरली एक्सपेंस अप्रोक्सीमेटली. तो उसको आप अपने मॉम के बैंक अकाउंट में रखिए बिकॉज शी विल बी द वन हु विल बी managing the expense. And बाकी का 12 lakhs होगा, you will put it in a FD or a liquid mutual fund. So that वो धीरे धीरे थोड़ा सा पैसा कमाएगा. It will not be a lot of money, but whatever money it earns, it's free money. This way you will ensure कि अगले 2.5 साल तक you do not have to worry about at least your monthly expenses.
Monthly expenses, yeah.
जो आपके पिताजी के बैंक अकाउंट में 6 लाख है and आपकी मदर के अकाउंट में 2 लाख है, so total 8 lakhs.
8 lakhs.
You will keep that as an emergency fund. ताकि कुछ भी अगर हो for your grandparents, for you can use that money. And then you will have 3 inputs. एक life insurance, provident fund, gratuity. Chit fund भी मान लेते हैं. Now whatever that amount is, whether it is 1 crore, whether it is 2 crores total, that is basically amount for your future.
Yeah.
And ये पैसा आपके लिए धीरे धीरे काम करना चाहिए. So my recommendation, whatever that amount is, उसको आप 3 हिस्सों में बांटिएगा. We will not take a lot of risk with this money, क्योंकि ये पैसा आपके ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स के लिए है, आपकी मॉम के लिए है, आपके फ्यूचर के लिए है. So this needs to be very secure. 30% of this, I would personally keep it in a gold ETF. Another 30%, you would keep it safe in a short-term debt mutual fund or liquid fund, so that it just keeps growing. It is safe and it remains there. And then about 40%, you would invest in a Nifty 50 mutual fund. If you, after consultation with your mother, feel ki no, we have enough security and backing, so we can take slightly more risk, then I would say 30% gold ETF, 30% Nifty 50, and 40% some flexi cap mutual fund. Now, how do you deploy this money? क्योंकि बड़ा सा क्वांटम होगा. तो if you're buying debt mutual fund, doesn't matter, you can buy all of that in lump sum. But if you're buying gold ETF, if you're buying Nifty 50, if you're buying flexi cap, whatever, then the right way is, let's say it is X amount, 50% of that amount buy lump sum, and the remaining 50% split it into 6 EMIs or SIPs.
It's like, got it.
Which will over 6 months deploy this money.
Sir, a small doubt.
Please.
Is it better to invest it in my name, like my Demat account, or my mom's Demat account? So like
Ideally,
I'll be working in like next year, so the tax or something, I'm not sure.
Ideally, keep it under your mother's name, क्योंकि वो if not already senior citizen बन जाएंगी. And
no, she's very young actually.
Okay, got it. So still, because she is the rightful custodian of this money, उन्हीं के पास रखिए. But make sure कि जहां भी वो जो भी इन्वेस्ट करेंगी कमलेश, आप उसके नॉमिनी बनेंगे.
Got
right? That is extremely important.
Yeah.
With this, you will be protected क्योंकि आपके पास पैसा होगा to run your daily expenses. आपके पास पैसा होगा for your future. आपके पास 2 घर हैं which provide you security, and you will start earning in 1 year. तो आपका खुद का एक रिदम भी बैठ जाएगा where you should also start investing and make sure ये सारी चीजें cover हो जाए.
One more doubt.
Please.
The health insurance. Actually, my father had taken from the companies itself. Like he added on this thing. Even my grandparents were also included in that. So will that get lapsed once?
Yes.
Like
yes.
okay.
Yes.
Okay.
So health insurance is, and I'm sorry I missed that. 2 insurance लेनी होंगी. So health insurance for everyone, and keep yourself and your mother separate from your grandparents.
Okay.
So mom side grandparents separate health insurance. Dad side grandparents separate health insurance. आप और आपकी mom separate health insurance. ठीक है? So 3 self insurances. Any other doubts, Kamlesh?
That's it, sir. Actually, I just wanted to all the lump sum amount we get. I had no idea what to do of that. That's why I reached out to you.
I totally understand.
Yeah.
It is a hard time. आपको suddenly बहुत सारी responsibilities लेनी पड़ रही हैं, and I'm sure you will do well. I'm sure कि ये experience आपको बहुत strong बनाएगा. So be strong, be there for your mother, and my best wishes for everything, my friend.
Thank you, sir.
All the best. Take care.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. I'm super thrilled to announce my new latest project, India Genius Challenge. ये एक nationwide hunt है भारत के brightest young students का, aged between 13 to 15 years. एक online round followed by the national finals that will happen in Delhi, जहां सबसे brightest students को मिलेगी 10 लाख रुपए की स्कॉलरशिप. ऑनलाइन राउंड्स में डेली, वीकली, मंथली विनर्स अनाउंस होंगे. उनको मिलेंगे आईफोन्स, आईपैड्स, PS5s, बुक्स, ट्रॉफीज, सर्टिफिकेट्स एंड अ लॉट मोर, ऑल लीडिंग टू द नेशनल फाइनल्स हैपनिंग इन दिल्ली. प्लीज, अगर आप किसी 13 से 15 साल के बच्चे को जानते हैं, आपके परिवार में कोई है या आप खुद वो हैं, then log on to indiageniuschallenge.com and start playing the challenge.